On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat error code. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, and after that, all what you wanna do is, scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. Click on force stop and then click on storage. Click on clear data and click on delete, and then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. After that, all what you want to do last is go to the Play Store or the App Store and update your Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe.